Welcome back to Channel V8X, where luxury meets raw power and passion meets performance. If you love exotic cars, aggressive design, and pure driving emotion, you're in the right place. This is Channel V8X. Today, we're looking at something truly special, the 2026 Aston Martin DB12 Coupe, finished in this stunning metallic bronze, golden brown color that screams elegance, confidence, and elite performance. This isn't just a car. This is Aston Martin redefining what a modern Grand Tourer should be. Front view praise. Let's start with the front view, bold, aggressive, and unmistakably Aston Martin. That wide grille, those razor-sharp LED headlights, and the sculpted hood lines give the DB12 a dominant road presence. From the front, this car looks fast even when it's standing still, pure authority, pure luxury. Side view praise. Now move to the side profile, and this is where the DB12 truly shows its elegance. The long, flowing body lines, the low roofline, and the perfectly balanced proportions make this one of the most beautiful coupes on the road today. The metallic bronze paint reflects light perfectly, enhancing every curve and contour. Back view praise. From the rear view, the DB12 looks wide, planted, and powerful. Those sleek LED taillights, the aggressive diffuser, and the sporty exhaust design give it a performance-focused personality. This is the kind of rear view that stays in your mirror and lives rent-free in your mind. Dashboard and interior praise. Step inside, and the dashboard is pure luxury craftsmanship. Premium leather, cutting-edge digital displays, and a driver-focused layout make every journey feel exclusive. Everything you touch feels expensive, because it is. Engine view praise. Under the hood, the DB12 packs serious muscle. The engine view reveals Aston Martin's commitment to performance, precision engineering, premium materials, and raw power waiting to be unleashed. Drone, highway, and night shots praise. From a drone view, the DB12 looks like a moving piece of art. On the highway, it dominates the road with speed, confidence, and grace. And at night, under city lights, this metallic bronze beauty turns into a rolling spotlight. Bold, dramatic, unforgettable. Price mention. Now let's talk numbers. The 2026 Aston Martin DB12 Coupe comes in at an estimated price of around $245,000, depending on options and customization. And honestly, for this level of design, performance, and prestige, it delivers exactly what you pay for. Ending channel call. So if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Aston Martin DB12 in metallic bronze, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. Because this is Channel V8X, where legends are driven, not just watched. Thanks for watching Channel V8X. And we'll see you in the next one.